Welcome to our guide on budget-friendly vegetable gardening at home. In this video, we'll explore creative and cost-effective ideas to help you start your own vegetable garden without breaking the bank. From utilizing recycled materials to maximizing small spaces, we'll dive into practical tips and tricks that will allow you to enjoy the satisfaction of homegrown produce without a hefty investment. Let's get started on this journey to create a flourishing garden that's friendly to both your wallet and the environment. 1. Use recycled materials. Repurpose old plastic sacks, wooden fruit baskets, and bottles into eco-friendly vegetable planters. Cut sacks into manageable sizes, fill them with soil, and sow seeds or plant seedlings. Utilize plastic or wooden fruit baskets as raised beds by lining them with a barrier, filling with soil, and planting veggies. Reuse bottles by cutting them in half, creating mini pots for herbs or smaller plants. These recycled materials offer cost-effective, sustainable options for gardening while reducing waste. 2. Collect rainwater to save money on watering costs. Why not take advantage of our Great British downfalls and install a water butt to collect and store rainwater? Rainwater contains nitrates and organic matter which helps to feed and nourish your plants. So not only are you saving money on water, but you're saving money on plant food too. Water butts are quick and easy to install, and they could save you up to 24,000 litres of water a year. Install a water butt in your garden, and you'll save money on bills, reduce water waste, and you'll even have healthier plants. 3. Start from seeds. Instead of buying seedlings, a pack of 6 seedlings or transplants at a nursery probably will run you $5 or so. You could easily leave with $100 worth of plants if you have ambitious plans to grow most of your food. A packet of seeds will run you $2-3 and probably grow at least 10 to 100 times as many plants. Yes, seeding your own transplants requires a few supplies, but even those can be had cheaply. 4. Reuse containers for seeding. Reusing containers for seedlings is eco-savvy. Eggshells provide perfect starter pots, offering nutrients as they decompose. Yogurt containers and fruit baskets work wonders too. Drill holes for drainage in containers, fill with soil, and sow your seeds. Plastic bottles, cut and inverted, create mini greenhouses. These recycled gems foster healthy growth, saving resources while nurturing new life. Embrace these upcycled vessels to cultivate a bountiful garden, reducing waste and savoring the joy of sustainability. 5. Make your own compost. You just need a small 3x3 area and some cheap chicken wire or deer fencing and a few stakes. Pound the stakes into the ground, wrap the chicken wire or net around the stakes, and secure with some string. Fill it with spent plant material, leaves, manure. Obviously, this saves you money of not having to buy bagged compost. But it also helps as you don't have to pay to get rid of the waste. Even if you have free municipal drop-off locations, you still need to drive there, which costs money. 6. Don't buy beneficial insects, attract them instead. I cringe when I see mason bees or ladybug cocoons advertised for sale. I've heard stories where the bees or ladybugs fly off immediately to a neighbor's yard. Money literally goes flying out of your yard, and there is not much you can do about it once it happens. Instead of buying beneficials, you need to make your garden attractive to them, and they will come and make their home amongst your vegetables and keep those nasty pests at bay. All you need to do is plant the right flowers and other attractants, provide fresh water, and in the case of mason bees, provide a house they can lay their eggs in. And they will come. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.